In modern operating rooms, comfort, safety, and focus are essential for every surgeon and medical professional. Introducing the Dexup Surgical Helmet, designed to provide continuous airflow and enhanced comfort during long surgical procedures. How to use Dexup Surgical Helmet. The Dexup Surgical Helmet helps circulate fresh air throughout the helmet interior, improving comfort during extended surgeries. Its lightweight ergonomic design reduces fatigue and helps medical professionals remain focused throughout the procedure. The integrated airflow system draws ambient air and distributes it evenly around the user's face and head area. Application areas. The Dexup Surgical Helmet is suitable for use in various surgical environments, including orthopedic surgeries, joint replacement procedures, spine surgeries, trauma surgeries, long-duration surgical procedures, general operating room applications. It is intended for trained medical professionals working in sterile operating room environments. Product parts. The helmet system includes the following main components: helmet shell, air intake fan unit, internal air ducts, power connection port/battery pack, adjustable headband, provision for sticking surgical hood in front of helmet. Before using the helmet, always ensure that the device is clean and undamaged. Check helmet condition. Ensure battery or power supply is charged. Confirm all components are properly connected. How to use Dexup Surgical Helmet. Step 1. Place the helmet on your head and adjust the internal headband for a secure and comfortable fit. Now connect the power connection to the helmet inlet port. Switch on the power unit to start airflow. Confirm that air is circulating evenly within the helmet. Use the buttons on the side of the helmet to increase or decrease the fan speed. Confirm that air is circulating evenly inside the helmet. Attach the hood from the front side to the helmet as shown in the video. It is typically used with a compatible surgical gown and surgical hood to form a complete protective system. To charge the Dexup Surgical Helmet System battery, first ensure the 4-slot charger is connected to power. Hold the battery with the contacts facing the charging slot and align it carefully above an empty slot. Insert the battery vertically and press gently until it is fully seated. Verify that the battery is secure and that the charging indicator with blue light confirms that charging has begun. After battery is fully charged, the ready indicator with green light confirms that charging is completed. If the battery is damaged or is not charged for some reason, the replace indicator will turn on. Once charging is complete, remove the batteries by lifting them straight out of the charger. After use. After the procedure, switch off the power unit and disconnect the air supply. Remove the helmet carefully and follow proper cleaning and disinfection procedures. Warning and precautions. Please follow all warnings and precautions before use. It is not a respirator. Do not use damaged helmets. Ensure proper airflow before use. Use only manufacturer-approved accessories. Avoid exposure of electrical components to liquids. For trained medical personnel only. Dexup Surgical Helmet Engineered for comfort, designed for performance.